Everyday life may have a surprise in store for us at any corner. Imagine tackling them without an all-important sense. A humble stick for the visually impaired helps a lot, especially in detecting knee-high obstacles. But it isn't the perfect foil for many other unknowns.
நாங்கள் டே டு லைஃப்பில் எதுமாரி ஃபீலிங் இது பண்ணுறோன்னா பயம், இன்னொன்று கூச்சம். பயம் என்னென்னா, இப்போ நாங்கள் ரோட்டில் நடந்து போயிட்டுருக்கக்குள்ள ஏதாவது வெஹிக்கிள்ஸ் வந்ததுன்னா அது எங்கள் மேலே மோதிடுமோ, அது எந்த பக்கத்துலேருந்து சவுண்ட் வருது, ஒரு வேளை மோதிடுமோ அப்படின்ற பயம். கூச்சம் எப்படி வருதுன்னா, அது நாங்கள் நடந்து போயிட்டுருக்கக்குள்ள ஒரு பள்ளமோ மேடோ அது இல்லைன்னா ஏதோ ஒரு பைப்போ இல்லை மரமோ இருந்ததுன்னா அதில் இடிச்சிருவோமோ, இடிச்சிட்டோன்னா சப்போஸ் அப்படி இடிச்சிட்டோன்னா யாராவது பார்த்து நம்மளை சிரிச்சிருப்பாங்களோ அப்படின்ற ஒரு கூச்சம் இருக்கும் லைஃப்பில்.
There's hope though. A pioneering effort from teams at IIT Delhi, Saksham Trust and Phoenix Medical Systems Chennai has bridged a significant gap for the visually impaired. Funded by the UK-based Wellcome Trust, the Smart Cane is an electronic travel aid designed to help a visually challenged person walk safe. It is an attachment to the standard white cane and helps especially in detecting knee above and hanging obstacles from a distance of up to 3 meters. The Smart Cane uses ultrasonic ranging to detect obstacles and has a vibrator to indicate the distance to the user through various vibratory patterns.
Smart Cane started off as a student project by Rohan under the guidance of Professor Bala and Professor Rao. The mission for Phoenix was to make the product affordable, ergonomic, aesthetic, and of course, to get to the world standard. Phoenix team succeeded in making Smart Cane that does not hurt the hands of the user, looks good, and of course, reasonably priced for the people in the developing world.
Be gripped properly and be held in place so that when the user opens the cane doesn't slip out.
Over a period of 3 years, dedicated teams at Phoenix Medical Systems manufactured several prototypes of the Smart Cane that would eventually lead to a final product that was ergonomic, fire-resistant and biocompatible.
Probably we can have 2 or 3 positions for the sensor.
Similar device would cost something about 300 or 600 pounds, depending on whether the device alone is bought or training is included and so on. This obviously is unaffordable for an average visually impaired user in India. We now have a device that's sold for 3,000 rupees. This is cost to the user, and this includes the device as well as training. We were working very closely with sourcing efforts, making sure we can source cheap components like mobile phone chargers, very easily available sensors and simple circuit processors, so on. That has been a focus right from the beginning.
The Smart Cane is made of resilient polycarbonate and has sensors that send and receive signals between obstacles and the user. It has 2 modes, indoor and outdoor. These modes give vibratory signals of increasing frequency depending on how close an obstacle is to the visually impaired user. Manufacturing all buttons with Braille notations, Phoenix Medical Systems has ensured the Smart Cane is easy to operate. It runs for 8 hours when fully charged.
It's a very good communicative aid or mobility aid. And the obstacles available in the only 0.5 meters, it gives continuous vibrate alert. So in that way, I have to be very cautious in overcoming that obstacles. When I approached near the car, it gave me continuous vibrate alert. So I divert my route, I slightly changed my route and I avoided from that.
The Smart Cane does a great job in guiding the user away, especially from obstacles that protrude or hang. Though the smart cane is very user-friendly, it needs to be understood, tested and used over a period of time.
That's the small line. It indicates the indoor mode, and the T-shaped line down. It indicates the outdoor mode.
An interested volunteer needs to spend a few hours to become familiar with the smart cane and thereon train visually challenged users. Over the last 25 years, Phoenix Medical Systems has endeavoured to deliver quality maternal and infant care products to preserve the right to live of every child. The Smart Cane is the beginning of yet another journey for Phoenix Medical Systems into a range of healthcare products that are inclusive, accessible and affordable.